Hello again, it is Dr. Taft, and this time I am going to be showing you how to use SPSS, the statistical package for the social sciences, to compute summary statistics. So I have a data set here of SPSS. Well, this is a window that shows data in SPSS. So here's one variable. I'm calling it pi because it is the first 19 digits of pi, because those make a nice random-ish collection of numbers. And you can see a little ruler here, which means that SPSS considers this a continuous variable. So how do I calculate statistics, summary statistics? Well, you go to the Analyze menu up here, and we're going to go to Descriptive Statistics, and ironically, the most useful descriptive statistic choice isn't this one that says descriptives, but it's actually this one that says frequencies. So I'm going to pick that. So it shows this here. So that's the variable I want to use. So I move it over into this. This would be the pool of all possible variables, and this is the pool of variables we're actually going to summarize. And then I have to tell it what statistics. Actually, let me just reset. All right. So this is what it would look like to start with. So move pi over here, and then we do statistics. And I want the mean, the median, and the mode. Those are measures of central tendency. And I want the variance, the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. And that doesn't let me compute the interquartile range directly, but it does compute quartiles for me. So those are our measures that I talked about in the previous presentations. And so I hit continue. And then I hit OK. So here we go. So there's 19 values. Our sample size is 19. Mean is 4.89. Median is 5. Mode is 3. Standard deviation is 2.77. Variance is 7.66. Range is 8. And our interquartile range is this, 8. Minus that, 3, so 5. And here we see how often each number occurred. So yep, the number 3 occurred 4 times. So that's our mode. And then we also can see that it is showing the cumulative percent. So that is an interesting way to visualize continuous data that I'll show you in a second. So 10% of the values are as small as 1 or smaller. 100% of them are as large as 9 or smaller. And so that 50%, the median is somewhere between 4 and 5. So that's why SPSS picked 5 as the median. So I hope that that makes sense. And then we could, I can right-click this and copy it or export it if I wanted to include this in some kind of presentation. So that's how you compute a summary statistic in SPSS. I hope that was as interesting for you as it was fun for me to do. Actually, I hope it was a lot more interesting.